The origin of humanity. In the vast story of life on Earth, humanity's chapter begins not with sudden brilliance, but with fragile survival. 200,000 years ago, in the heart of Africa, a new kind of creature emerged, Homo sapiens. We were not alone. The world teemed with other humans. Neanderthals in Europe, Denisovans in Asia, and mysterious island dwellers like Homo floresiensis all shared the same roots, yet only one would remain. What made us different? Our brains were not vastly larger, nor our bodies stronger, but somewhere within the folds of our minds, a revolution sparked. We began to think in stories, to imagine what was not yet real. Firelight became our first theater. Words became our first tools sharper than any stone blade. While other humans mastered survival, we mastered cooperation. We learned to dream together. Still, our rise was not gentle. As we spread from Africa, we encountered those ancient cousins. Some we fought, others we loved. Genetic traces tell us that fragments of Neanderthal and Denisovan blood still flow within us today. But as climates shifted and food grew scarce, their populations dwindled. Perhaps they lacked the flexible imagination to adapt, or perhaps our growing numbers simply overwhelmed them. The truth may be both chance and design intertwined. By 40,000 years ago, the last of them had vanished, leaving Homo sapiens alone beneath the stars. Yet the mystery remains. Why us? Was it language that gave us unity, art that gave us purpose, or curiosity that refused to die? We were not the strongest, but we were the most connected. We could pass knowledge across generations, turning memory into culture and culture into power. We built tools that reshaped landscapes, songs that bound tribes, and myths that explained the night. We learned to plant, to build, to rule. But in the quiet spaces between wars and wonders, one truth endures: our survival was never guaranteed. It was the delicate sum of luck, adaptation, and imagination, the triumvirate that defines what it means to be human. Today, when we look at our reflection in the mirror, we are also seeing them, those who came before, whose bones lie beneath forgotten earth. They remind us that the origin of humanity was not a single spark, but a constellation of small fires kept alive through time. And the question that began our story still lingers: did we outlive them by destiny?